How to get Todoist on Google Calendar. Want your tasks and deadlines to show up in Google Calendar? Here's how to sync Todoist with Google Calendar. So step 1, open your Todoist account and then go ahead and click on settings at the top left. So click on your profile and then select settings. And then from here, go ahead and look for integrations. Click on it and then click on add integration and then go ahead and search for Google Calendar. So select Google Calendar from here and then click on add. So make sure that the Google Calendar account has been added as your email into the section, because if it's not, you won't be able to find it from your Google Calendar. So once you have connected your Google account to your Todoist account, you'd be able to easily sync your Google Calendar progress with your Todoist progress. And that is how to get Todoist on Google Calendar.